using ChatGPT for your daily tasks and projects can be an absolute game changer. With its vast knowledge and natural language processing capabilities, the possibilities are truly endless. But the question remains, how tools like ChatGPT can make teaching easier and more effective? Using ChatGPT can produce an explanation that is tailored to the class and their specific level of learning and understanding. In other words, it will explain to the teacher how different best practices and ideas related to this topic have been tried out in different contexts around the world. Can we say that using ChatGPT in the classroom is beneficial all the time? Definitely not. We are going to focus now on some of the benefits of ChatGPT, but also we will shed the light on some of the challenges as well. So, what are the main benefits? Number one, ChatGPT can provide personalized assistance or tutoring for students who are struggling with concepts. It's a nice source for ideas and inspiration to give students a place to start. Number two, teacher productivity can be improved as they lean on ChatGPT for lesson plan creation, assessment question design, prompt generation, work examples, and much, much more. Number three, chat boots are adaptable and their use can be modified as needed to meet the changing needs of students and teachers. The fourth benefit is that teaching students to work with new technologies like AI and chatbots will prepare them for the future of school and work. Teachers can demonstrate appropriate use and ways to leverage the tools for better outcomes. What are some of the challenges? Number one, some teachers may struggle to prevent inappropriate use of the tool. For instance, using it to complete assignments or assessments might not be ethical. Each response is original and therefore might not be flagged by plagiarism detectors in an easy manner. The second challenge, it'll be important to build awareness and skills around identifying biased or inaccurate information produced by the chatbot. That's why in previous videos, we spoke a lot about the importance of developing data validation skills. The third challenge is related to the schools that has yet to determine whether to allow or block ChatGPT from their network and understand that it may still be accessible with personal devices. The fourth challenge is to have the training and support to teachers in order to overcome challenges and find ways to use ChatGPT in positive manners. ChatGPT is a tool. It should be used in the classroom to support students and to provide them with a diversity of learning opportunities that might be related to the way of thinking that they have developed as being digital citizens who are used to using the digital tools in their daily life. As we all know, by inputting a specific topic using ChatGPT, a whole complete explanation is tailored to the specific level of learning for a certain topic. With its mighty language processing and generation capabilities, ChatGPT can streamline planning when you're developing the lesson plan. Furthermore, ChatGPT's biggest time feature is that it can generate text for materials and handouts that target your specific instructional needs. If you need a choice board for an activity, then you can ask ChatGPT to create a text for students who need support. The tool can also function as a text compactor that analyzes readings and creates more concise and condensed versions. Furthermore, the AI will generate differentiated rubrics for an assignment so that each task emphasizes a customization for explanation and the level of challenge. Thus, using ChatGPT for teachers can allow them to bring together a quick variety of assessment material to evaluate the level of attainment of their students. With ChatGPT's assistance, teachers can improve their students' writing skills through a range of tools and features. While ChatGPT amplifies pedagogy and automates routine tasks, it's easy to overlook its greatest weakness. The tool always sounds authoritative, even when disseminating inaccurate content. Nevertheless, we must check all AI produced information for accuracy and usefulness before it reaches students.